All of them?
All of them.
How much for a box?
246 for a pack of 20.
And how much for 2 sticks?
30. I also want one. Give me money and I'll give you one. Yeah.
Smoking discount, huh?
I'm just trying it for once.
Oh, hello. What's this? You sold a cigarette to a child? Is this your sense of responsibility? Targeting children by placing advertisements at their eye level and selling glue sticks? You think you would get caught, huh?
No, not my fault. I didn't force her. This is how I earn. And there are worse things out there too. See that shot?
You sure you won't get sick doing that?
Of course not. It's not the same as smoking. It's not harmful at all. Just harmless fun.
But I read somewhere that it causes lung cancer and heart diseases. Are you really sure that it is actually harmless?
Yes, and you should try it too. It comes in so many flavors. My favorite is blackberry.
No. If my parents find out, I'll be good at red.
No worries, because disguise as smartwatches, makeup products, laser pens, and whatnot. See?
Guys, you won't believe it. Tobacco cured COVID.
Sir, source?
My uncle forwarded it on WhatsApp.
Another graduate from WhatsApp University.
But isn't it like actually more harmful? It directly enters your bloodstream.
Why would I be more for it if it was more harmful than actual cigarettes?
Misconception. That's why it's the root of all causes. Either we are not aware or we are ignorant. And the industry preys on our ignorance.
Oh, shut up. Are you scared of a little smoke? The industry preys on our ignorance. How paranoid. Celebrities do it all the time. And what do they even lack? Go on.
This is how we fill our stomachs. Now, what's wrong with earning our bread?
Sure. What's wrong with pushing the youth into the trap of addiction? What is even wrong with misleading them? Absolutely nothing with selling illness, huh?
I don't think I want to try this anymore. It is just not worth what it will cost.
Knowledge is our biggest weapon when it comes to battling with these tobacco industries.
Your health is too high a price to pay for momentary enjoyment.
But I don't think I can quit anymore. I have a master of an evil kind. He controls my body, soul, and mind. At first, he was fun and cool, but soon I became his fool.
But if not this, then what?
It sounds like if not killing, then what? We've been the victims of money-making megaminds for too long. But we can still get back up. Let me present some facts. With every juice pod that is drained, there are effects on the brain.
Research shows detriments to the prefrontal cortex, an area so important for cognitive development, especially during adolescence.
This is what lower activity in this region means.
Difficulty choosing between, or even trouble controlling the obscene.
Things that are quite frankly already hard enough for teens.
We are
And
young
young and aware, won't fall for this abuse. Schools, parties, parks and everywhere. When they say consume, I say refuse.